You can see this is the chart of 4-hour candles, and as you can see we have a point of entry, that is 4-hour failure, price rejecting from it here. As you can see, I will move it to the lower time frame. You see this is the change state of delivery, that is 50 minute change state of delivery. I started adding quantity here. Another, at this point there is 1 hour CRT, so I added one quantity here, one quantity at this point, and then price start moving at the upper side, and I confident that next drawn liquidity is this liquidity and this 1 hour fair value gap. And as you can see, I'm actually expecting a higher price can move higher, but I know price is rejecting from that, so I apply risk management here and booked almost all of my quantity here. As you can see here, we have 30-minute fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap, 1 hour FVG, and here 1 hour FVG also present. This FVG is 1 hour FVG. As you see here, I started adding quantity here and price will moving higher. Now as you see, market open, market here dump, sweep this liquidity, we have SMT, and actually market is giving 1 minute inversion. You can see a plus inversion setup. I enter here and target it up to this point. As you can see, price actually rejecting from that, and I don't notice that there is a 1 hour FVG here. And you can see here, I'm expecting that price come here and then reject, but this is not happen. Price actually rejecting from that, and now I move it to lower time higher time frame, and see there is a 1 hour fair value gap, and I mark it. So immediately as we get 1 hour 1 minute inversion, I enter immediately here and target it up to exactly at this point. I book my all the quantity here. I apply risk management at this 1 hour fair value gap and book my all quantity here, because you can see this is the 2:2.5 level of this manipulation leg. You can see we have changed set of delivery at 1 minute time frame. As per price pullback here, you can also enter here if you miss inversion, and then you can target it up to your level. So clearly see what is the change in my strategy. I will mark every point here. I will mark all the PDRs in the path, all the liquidity zones, models, and here my bias is bullish clearly, and that's how I am able to catch the perfect A plus setup. The next possible trade is this. You can see there is a lot of liquidity at this point. You can see all the PDR is in the path. This PDR is disrespected, price delivering from this 50-minute fair value gap. Here there is a 50-minute fair value gap. You can see 1 minute inversion, and you can enter here target 2. You can see this liquidity. At this point you have to move your stop loss to the break even, and you can see you can target up to this level, which is this liquidity, and you can see after that a strong selling. You can see this consolidation and then price moving, but your last TP should be this. And you can see this is the 2:2.5 level of this manipulation leg, and exactly your target is almost matched with this level. So this is the possible trade.